Hey, it's time for your fall home maintenance reminder. This is the exact same one that you got in the spring. It's just the second 6 months of the year, but I'll do some quick reminders on there. Make sure you look at the monthly checklist. Everything in there is clickable. You can click on a link and watch a video on how to get some of this stuff done. You can click on a link to go find out where to go buy that one thing, or even look at your home lifespan chart. So if you think, hey, how old is my roof? When should I get that replaced? You can look at things like that and even make your own list for note taking, how long it's been since you've done this or done that. Another thing, if you want to download all the resources at once, there is a button at the bottom in the middle of this email that says view all your home maintenance resources here. That'll take you to the Google folder that contains every checklist that I've made for this home maintenance reminder series. It's got all the resources that I've made. Again, it's very important that you get this stuff done. Don't be reactionary to it, because that's where it costs you a lot of money. And if you have any questions about these lists or anything that's on them, any other maintenance tips that you've heard of that might not be on there, I'd love to hear about them and talk about them. So give me a call.